If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. Every year in the United States, over 24,000 homes go up in flames due to electrical fires, causing billions of dollars in damage, countless injuries, and tragic loss of life. Electrical fires are often preventable if you know what to look for and take the right precautions. In today's video, we're going to break down the top 5 causes of electrical fires and, most importantly, how to prevent them from threatening your home and your loved ones. Let's dive into these hidden dangers that could be lurking in your home's electrical system. Reason 1. Faulty or outdated wiring. Faulty or outdated wiring is a major cause of electrical fires, especially in homes over 50 years old. Older wiring systems, like knob and tube wiring or fuse panels, weren't designed to support the power needs of modern appliances and devices. As a result, outdated or damaged wiring can overheat, creating a serious risk of sparking and fire. If your home is older or you notice flickering lights, breakers that trip frequently, or burning smells around outlets, it's time to call in a licensed electrician to inspect your wiring. Consider rewiring or upgrading your electrical system to meet modern standards and handle today's energy loads safely. Also, look into installing arc fault circuit interrupters, AFCIs, which can detect dangerous electrical arcs before they cause fires. Reason 2. Overloaded circuits and extension cords. Another major cause of electrical fires is overloaded circuits and improper use of extension cords. Plugging too many devices into one outlet or running high-power appliances on an extension cord can lead to overheating, which can ignite a fire. How to prevent it? Avoid plugging multiple high-energy devices like heaters, refrigerators, or microwaves into the same outlet. Use surge protectors rather than simple extension cords, and never run cords under carpets or rugs where they can easily overheat. If your circuits frequently trip, you might need to upgrade your electrical panel to better handle your home's power demand. Reason 3. Faulty electrical appliances and equipment. Faulty or worn-out appliances are responsible for around 9% of all home fires. Appliances like space heaters, dryers, or even dishwashers can malfunction and spark a fire. Electrical cords that have frayed or exposed wires are especially dangerous. How to prevent it? Regularly inspect your appliances for damaged cords, strange sounds, or overheating. If an appliance seems faulty, stop using it immediately. Don't leave high-energy appliances running unattended, especially overnight. Make sure that your appliances are plugged directly into an outlet, not through an extension cord or power strip, which can increase the risk of overheating. Reason 4. Improper installation or maintenance of electrical systems. Improper installation of electrical systems, such as outlets or light fixtures, or lack of maintenance can be a hidden danger in many homes. For instance, improperly grounded systems or loose connections can result in overheating and spark a fire. How to prevent it? Always hire a licensed electrician for installations or repairs. Do-it-yourself electrical work, while tempting, can often lead to serious issues if done incorrectly. Ensure your system is properly grounded by regularly testing your outlets. Using an outlet tester, you can easily check for issues such as open ground, open neutral, or open hot. It's recommended to test all the receptacles in your home at least once a year. I've provided a link in the description to help you find a reliable tester. Loose connections in outlets and switches aren't always visible, but now you can inspect them without removing the covers by using a thermal imaging camera. These cameras used to be expensive, but they are much more affordable today. I've included a link in the description to a reasonably priced option. If you notice a temperature exceeding 100 degrees, contact an electrician immediately to check for any loose connections. Reason 5. Light fixtures and bulbs. Believe it or not, something as simple as using the wrong light bulb can lead to a fire. Installing a higher wattage bulb than a fixture is rated for can cause it to overheat. Poorly installed light fixtures or lamps can also present a fire risk. How to prevent it? Always use the correct wattage bulb for your fixtures. If you're unsure, check the fixture specifications or consult with an electrician. Regularly check your fixtures and replace any bulbs that are flickering or overheating. Electrical fires are a serious threat, but the good news is that most of them can be prevented with proper care and maintenance. By understanding the common causes, whether it's outdated wiring, overloaded circuits, or faulty appliances, you can take the necessary steps to protect your home and family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more home safety tips. Remember, a little prevention today can save you from disaster tomorrow. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments what you think about these tips and what other types of videos you'd like to see on the channel. Your feedback helps shape future content.